like
2 gifts.
for payday.
That's why we're aiming for 100 every week.
It's gonna fit.
It's yeah.
It's 2 gifts.
Ow.
Wow.
Yes,
Cinderella.
it is.
Wow. Does it fit?
Oh, Cinderella. Oh. Yay!
Yeah, it is.
Ready today.
It matched your clothes today.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Wear it. It's nothing. Wait, I love it. It's nice.
Yeah, it matches well.
And Jen bought a pair for her.
They're sisters.
Really? This one.
It's a different
Come on.
It's nice.
Wow.
Yeah, picture.
Lie here with your...
It fits now. It's nothing. And you thought we're bitches, okay?
You
Thought we're
regret you
bitches.
resigned.
You thought we're from the US or bitches.
And Ange.
Yeah.
Speech.
Speech.
Sorry, Papi. Were we too loud?
Pets.
No, not this speech. Come on, speech.
Speech.
Start now.
Pets.
We're hungry.
Come on, it's almost our lunch. Papi!
I've come to give you a hug because I'm going.
I is going home. You're going home?
Yeah, speech.
I'll give Papi a hug before he goes home.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, very nice.
I know, right?
Green Hills?
I'm sorry.
Papi, it's Aldo.
It's what?
Aldo.
Yeah. It's from our training. It's from no, it's chocolate.
Goodbye.
It's more.
See you in a couple of weeks anyway. Alright. Come on then, maybe. Text me, whatever. Because I know you don't Facebook.
No, I don't.
Nobody else did anyway.
Sorry.
See you later, guys.
Thanks, Papi.
BJ. Don't forget to chase BJ for me.
Chase BJ.
Pick up.
Speech.
Speech.
Pets.
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 Thank you, Bao.
Wait, before your speech, I have something.
Before you speak.
Hug.
Picture.
Picture. We don't have
Everyone has a picture. Come on.
Picture.
Take off your
Pick up your
Wow, Robin.
Robin and Mariel. I'm sorry.
Thank you, TJ.
Welcome. It's your last day. That's why I came here.
Your last day. Even though it's na may dayi.
You're late.
Your last day for today. Don't video.
Don't cry.
You'll regret your resign. You're gonna regret. Yeah. No, it's okay.
No video.
No video.
No scandal.